Let me ask you something. Have you noticed how every time the world feels unstable, one thing always starts rising quietly in the background? Gold. And right now, something strange is happening. While most people are distracted by trending stocks, crypto hype, and daily news drama, the wealthy are making moves again. Quiet moves, smart moves. The kind of moves they make before a major financial shift. Because here's the truth. When rich people start buying gold, they're not doing it for fun. They're doing it because they smell fear in the system. And today, the world is full of warning signs. Inflation is still not fully under control. Governments keep printing money. Debt levels are rising. Global tensions are increasing. And interest rates are playing a dangerous game. Now you might be thinking, gold is boring. It doesn't make you rich. But that's exactly why it's powerful. Gold isn't meant to make you rich overnight. Gold is meant to protect you when everything else collapses. And that's why smart money loves it. Because when markets crash, stocks bleed, and currencies lose value, gold becomes the safe zone. Now here's the part that should worry you. Gold prices don't just rise randomly. They rise when the big players know something is coming. And right now, central banks across the world are buying gold at record levels. Not because they want shiny metal, but because they don't trust the future of paper money. Think about that. If the people controlling money are buying gold, what does that tell you? It tells you they are preparing for a storm. And while the average person waits for the perfect time, the wealthy are already stacking. Because wealth isn't built by reacting late. Wealth is built by positioning early. Now imagine this. If a major recession hits, or the dollar weakens further, or global conflict escalates, gold could spike fast. And when it spikes, it won't give you time to think. The headlines will come after the move happens. That's how it always works. First the rich buy quietly. Then the price rises. Then the public panics. And by the time everyone starts buying gold, it's already expensive. So the real question is, are we at the beginning of that cycle again? Because it looks like it. And if gold truly explodes in the next few months or years, people will look back and say, how did we not see it coming? But you saw it coming. Now the only question is, will you act like the average person? Or will you start thinking like the wealthy? So tell me this, do you think gold is about to explode? Or is this just another fake hype wave?